The mineral pyrite. The name pyrite is after the Greek pyre, meaning fire. This name was given because pyrite can be used to create the sparks needed for starting a fire if it is struck against metal or another hard material. Pieces of pyrite have also been used as a spark producing material in flintlock firearms. Pyrite has a nickname that has become famous, fool's gold. The mineral's gold color, metallic luster, and high specific gravity often cause it to be mistaken for gold by inexperienced prospectors. However, pyrite is often associated with gold. The two minerals often form together, and in some deposits, pyrite contains enough included gold to warrant mining. Hand specimens of pyrite are usually easy to identify. The mineral always has a brass yellow color, a metallic luster, and a high specific gravity. It is harder than other yellow metallic minerals, and its streak is black, usually with a tinge of green. It often occurs in well-formed crystals in the shape of cubes, octahedrons, or pyritohedrons, which often have striated faces. The only common mineral that has properties similar to pyrite is marcasite, a dimorph of pyrite with the same chemical composition but an orthorhombic crystal structure. Marcasite does not have the same brassy yellow color of pyrite. Instead, it is a pale brass color, sometimes with a slight tint of green. Marcasite is more brittle than pyrite and also has a slightly lower specific gravity at 4.8. Pyrite and gold can easily be distinguished. Gold is very soft and will bend or dent with pin pressure. Pyrite is brittle and thin pieces will break with pin pressure. Gold leaves a yellow streak while pyrite's streak is greenish black. Gold also has a much higher specific gravity. A little careful testing will help you avoid the fool's gold problem. Pyrite is composed of iron and sulfur. However, the mineral does not serve as an important source of either of these elements. Iron is typically obtained from oxide ores such as hematite and magnetite. These ores occur in much larger accumulations. The iron is easier to extract and the metal is not contaminated with sulfur, which reduces its strength.